shoes, trunkies and loose items of clothing can all get tucked well under the seat in front of you. This unless you are in rows 1 or the overwing exits where all your loose items now need to go into the overhead lockers. If you are in the aisle, please step in and out of the seats to allow your fellow passengers to pass by. And just a polite reminder that this is a no-smoking service. Thank you.
Now that smokes. On some cover.
Ef vélinn lendir á vatni, takið þá björgunarvesti undan sætinu. Setjið það yfir höfuðið. Hnýtið beltið umhverfið mittið, smellið því saman og til að stilla skal toga í ólana. Það má ekki blása upp björgunarvesti inni í vélinni. Fyrir utan flugvélina skal blása björgunarvestið upp með því að toga í tappan. Ef björgunarvestið blæs ekki sjálfkrafa upp eða þarf að fylla á, skal blása í röri. Vestin eru með ljós og flautu til að draga að sér athygli. Við erum einnig með björgunarvesti fyrir ungbönn. Borðið þarf nú að vera upprétt, sætisarmar niðri, gluggatjöldin opin og sætisbelti spennt. Við óskum ykkur ánæglegs flugs með easyJet.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. On behalf of easyJet, the captain and the crew, we'd finally like to welcome aboard this flight now, departing back to London Luton. Flight time 2 hours and 40 minutes. My name is Lisa, the cabin manager on your flight today. Working with me in the cabin are Claudia, Chloe and Nadia. We're here to make your journey safe and comfortable. So if there's anything you need, then please do just ask. We'd also like to extend a warm welcome to easyJet Plus card holders, and if you're interested in the benefits of becoming a Plus card holder, just talk to a member of crew during the flight.
Ladies and gentlemen, we now ask for your attention while we take you through the safety procedures on this aircraft. A safety card is in your seat pocket showing the exit routes, oxygen masks, life jackets and brace position that you must adopt if you hear brace, brace. There are 2 emergency exits at the rear, 4 in the middle and 2 at the front of the cabin. Floor lighting will guide you to an exit. Please be aware that your nearest exit may be behind you. In an emergency, leave all cabin baggage on board. It's for children. Your tray table must now be stowed, armrest down, window blinds open and seatbelt fastened. We wish you a pleasant flight with easyJet.
Ladies and gentlemen, please keep your seatbelt fastened while the seatbelt sign is switched on. We do recommend that you keep your seatbelt fastened whenever you are seated. You can find the toilets are located at each end of the cabin, and I'd just like to remind you that this is a no smoking service and that does include the use of e-cigarettes. Shortly we will commence our bistro service, offering you the chance to purchase a section of hot and cold snacks in the bar. On board today we have our bacon baguette, hot straw, focaccia, chicken Caesar sub roll and our hummus and falafel wrap. You can combine these with your drinkless snacks to make a meal deal. This also saves you money. We also have our any hot drink with a cookie or a muffin. We accept payments in pounds, euros, credit or debit card, although the correct change would be greatly appreciated. If we can be of any further assistance, please don't hesitate to contact us as we pass through the cabin.
easyJet, so welcome to Luton. Local time is now 1:15. Well, very shortly the cabin crew will be released to commence with safety related duties. But can I please ask that you all remain in your seats with your belts fastened until the signs above your head have been switched off. Before leaving your seat.
Tour plane. Bang.
Yes, he does.
Cabin crew, disarm doors for arrival, please.